Welcome back, raindrops, to Caval Rain. Today I have a special guest. Her name's Yvonne, and for today's look we're going to create a beautiful maroon smoky eye. Now this video will be going by pretty fast due to the fact that we were in a rush to go hang out with some friends later on today. So the first things first is we're going to go in with the eyebrows. So for her eyebrows, because she already has really nice ones, I'm really just going to go in with the Anastasia pomade in the shade Chocolate and just fill in wherever she needs it, which is not really anywhere because she has really nice eyebrows. So yeah. Now that her eyebrows are filled, I'm basically just going to go in and start cleaning out the eyebrows. I'm going to carve the bottom and the top. Really, because her eyebrows are nice, I'm just cleaning up wherever I messed up at, sort of just to make them look how they're supposed to. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Cream and Contour palette, use the lightest shade in here for the bottom, and then the lightest brown shade for the top part. Now that her eyebrows are fully carved out, we're going to go in and basically use the lightest shade in this the same palette, and basically just apply this all over the lid, mainly because I like to have the white base only to let the colors pop some more. If you haven't guessed it, yes, I'm going in with the James Charles palette. No difference here. Only thing, I will be using the e.l.f. eyelid primer to apply the shades and have them really stick on there nicely. First shade we're going to be popping into is Boutique. So basically this is a pretty maroon shade in the James Charles palette, where I'm just going to put this on the outside of the eyelid and sort of work it into the crease. So next we're going to go in with Mary. This is just a shade to be able to blend it out a little bit easier further on. I like to use a lot of colors just because I feel like it's easier to blend them really. Now that our shades are getting a little bit easy to blend, we're going to go in with Punch Me and a little bit of Tea. Now it's going to be a little flip-floppy. Tea is going to go in the maroon just to give it a little more of a deeper cut crease. Punch Me is going to go on the outside part just to fade the maroon into her skin. So right now I'm doing the cut crease. We're doing a very defined cut crease, so I'm just gonna go in with the lighter shade in the e.l.f. cream palette that I just showed you guys and just apply this over the lid. Just create a cut crease. So it's not a full cut crease, so basically you're just going in from the inner eye all the way to like the middle of your eyelid. Really, it's not going far. And now that the cut crease is on, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. primer. The same one we used to apply the whole lid. We're just going to apply this into the cut crease just because I wanted the gold shade to sort of stick on a little bit more and sort of just to pop basically. Now that our cut crease is really nice and defined, I wanted to blend a little bit of the maroon in just so I know where I want it to end, putting the gold at. So basically I went in with the shade So Good and it did not pop how I wanted to, so it wasn't good for this look, and we went in with Wig instead, and that just gave it a beautiful gold shimmer on her lid. Right here I'm just really trying to buff it out, define it, sort of blend it really. It's not much, just to go back in, sort of perfect wherever you feel like you sort of lacked that. So basically now that our eyelid is complete, we are not going to apply eyeliner. I'm not good at doing eyeliner on other people. I'm barely good at it and doing it on myself sometimes. So all we're really doing is just doing the same eye, doing it on the other side. I'm applying eyelid primer sort of just to get started, and then from there we're just really going to fast forward through most of the steps. I will be talking, let you know what's going on, but that's all we're really doing. Just replicate the same eye we just did on the other eye, and now you're going to look nice. Duh. Like I said, we will be fast forwarding through this, so the next step really is just to apply mascara and apply your eyelashes. That's all we really did at this point. After this, we just go straight to the face and yeah, start the beat from there. Now that the eyes are cute, we're gonna go in with the face. Right now I'm just really trying to scrape off some of the glitter from the wig shade we used. It wouldn't come off. So basically the next step is really just going in with my RK pore minimizing primer. Just apply this all over the face like a normal lotion, just to prime your face. Really, that's all you're doing, just priming. Now that the primer is on, we are just really just gonna go in with foundation. I am going in with my CoverGirl and Olay Tone Rehab foundation. It's a 2-in-1. So basically I'm going in with the shade 165 Tawny, and I'm just applying this all over the lid. The concealer looked a little bit lighter than her face, so I'm really just going in and sort of making it all match up, blend nice and evenly, basically. But just to give me a good base, that's all I'm really doing. It's trying to give me a good base before I do the contour and the extra stuff. Now that the foundation is on, we're going to go in with concealer. Now my favorite concealer to use is my Pro Conceal, and basically all I did is I went in with the shade Cool Tan, and I applied this under the eyes, on the nose, the bridge of the nose, and the forehead. That's all I really did, and just blended it out from there. Now that concealer is on, we're really just going to go in with bronzing. I really just in with the cream contour and went in with the darkest shade. She already has nice cheekbones, so I really wasn't doing much in my eyes. So basically I'm really just applying this wherever, she already has her natural cheekbones out. Before setting the face, I'm going to go in with my RK by Kiss holographic highlighter and bronzer in this shade Rich Gold. I decided that it was going to look beautiful on her, so basically I just applied this where her where you put highlighter, basically. So the top part of your cheekbones, right above, right under the eyebrow thing, place, whatever, and I'll put a little bit right in the middle above the eyebrow, sort of just to make it flow through, just to look like a natural highlight. Next thing is powder. So basically all we're going to do is just set under the eyes with the Lush Pro powder in the shade Banana. We're going to set under the eyes, the forehead, and apply this all over the face just to set the whole foundation. Now that we are making the face, this is where I would like to finish up the eyeshadow look. Foundation and concealer will not be bothering the shades I have applied at the bottom of the eye. So basically what we're going to go in is we're going to go in with T, Boutique, and Punch Me. T is the dark brown that's going to give it definition. Boutique is the one that's going to give it the maroon look, and Punch Me is really just the one that's going to be able to blend the maroon out easier. Now that the baking is brushed off and everything, we're basically just going in with highlight, and I'm going in with Butterscotch. It's a beautiful gold shimmer, and I'm just applying it wherever we applied the cream RK1. Big shout out to Yvonne. I appreciate you very much for letting me do your makeup. I know you don't wear it a lot, so doing this is a really good honor. Thank you. I appreciate it. And to all my range ups out there, I appreciate you guys for following and watching my videos, subscribing to me, commenting, following me on Instagram. I adore every single one of you. So Yvonne here does Melanin Kisses. She has a little something for everybody, so best believe she'll have a little something for you. She does lip balms, lip glosses, with and without glitter. She has different flavors, so I will be leaving her Yahoo in the description down below in case anyone of you wanted to order anything. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Like, comment down, subscribe, share this video, anything you want to do. Love you guys very much.